Workiva does a lot. After surveying hundreds of customers, we have the data to show which features impact you the most. So, we're going to do an ongoing series, highlighting just that. We found if you use Workiva in a certain way, it will put you on the path to more complete data. And if you work in any organization that relies on data, which is most of them, you probably want that. Here are 3 ways to achieve data completeness in Workiva. Don't waste another minute manually inputting data from an Excel worksheet. Workiva Sync makes things so much easier. Quickly take any existing data from Excel and import it directly into a Workiva spreadsheet. With a few simple clicks, you can choose a workspace and start a sync, allowing you to create new spreadsheets or update existing ones. Workiva Sync is the first great step toward fully integrated and connected data to your reporting outputs. Work smarter, not harder. Design and automate your workflows with processes. Processes allow you to design and automate workflows. Automatically send tasks to assignees, directing them to a specific section of a spreadsheet to input their data points. It's a super efficient way to help you collect and approve content in your files and track current assignments. To make things even easier, a process can be duplicated and used again the next quarter. Now, this one is what truly makes the Workiva platform so powerful. If for some reason you're ignoring this essential feature, well, don't. Manually changing what could be over 1,700 data figures across your entire filing should be considered a crime against humanity. Linking is simple. Copy data from a cell, paste it into a document, and voila! You've just established a one-to-one relationship. What it boils down to is linked to your heart's content. And that's what the Workiva platform is built for, and it'll make all your future filings a breeze. Ready for your mind to be blown? Let's bring it all together. In your spreadsheet, use one section for your Workiva synced data and another section for contributor data collected from a process. And you'll have a central data spreadsheet as your single source to link out to your end report. Data completeness? Here we come! So how about it? Are you sure you're utilizing everything Workiva has to offer? If not, these 3 features are a great place to start.